Hi there, in this channel, I'd like to share with non-Japanese guys the knowledge from the books not translated in English. Also, I'll let you grasp Japanese working culture and how Japanese survive. Let me introduce today's self-help book. The title is The Art of Organizing Thoughts, which is one of the best sellers in Japan. The author is Mr. Toyama Shigehiko. He is a professor emeritus of Ochanomizu University. This book has provided me with very good information. Let's get started. In a nutshell, this book critiques the modern school education system and conventional approaches to learning, proposing a new mindset focused on autonomy and creativity. The author argues that traditional schooling produces glider people, those who rely on external support to function. However, what is needed in the future are airplane people, individuals who can move and navigate the world independently. The book also provides fresh perspectives on problem solving and knowledge utilization, offering effective methods for thinking and learning. There are just 3 points to take away which I learned from this book. First one is the importance of letting problems sit. Second one is the value of engaging with multiple areas. Third one is the importance of starting to write. Here is a quick summary. First one. The importance of letting problems sit. Constantly thinking about a problem does not always lead to a solution. In fact, allowing problems to sit and giving time for the subconscious to process them can be more effective. Especially with large, complex issues, leaving them for longer periods often yields better insights than actively trying to resolve them. Conscious willpower has its limits, and leveraging the unconscious mind is crucial for deepening thought and finding solutions. Second one. The value of engaging with multiple areas. Focusing solely on one topic or task can narrow your perspective and increase the risk of getting stuck. By involving yourself in multiple projects or themes, you gain a broader outlook, and what you truly need to do will naturally become clearer. Letting different themes compete with each other fosters flexibility, allowing each area to evolve. The idea is that focusing on just one thing is too much, and it's more beneficial to explore diverse approaches simultaneously. Third one. The importance of starting to write. To organize your thoughts, it's crucial to start writing without hesitation. The key is to not aim for perfection at the beginning but to begin writing freely. As you write, your thoughts will naturally begin to form a coherent structure in your mind. Avoid getting caught up in small details or structure at the outset. Instead, prioritize speed and keep writing. Revisions can come later. At the initial stage, the focus should be on outputting ideas and thoughts as they come. Alright, let's recap. There are 3 important points to take note. First one is the importance of letting problems sit. Second one is the value of engaging with multiple areas. Third one is the importance of starting to write. Hope you enjoy this book summary. Enjoy your life.